Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today I wanted to do a tutorial on best eyeshadows for brown eyes. I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. And let's get right into the video. So there are many different color stories that complement brown eyes and pop them out, but the ones that I like to use are the purple tones. So today we're going to play around with this Makeup Geek palette, and it has really nice purples. So let's try this one out. So as you see, I already got my base on, my foundation, my concealer, and all I'm really missing is the eyes. So first we're going to take this orange shade right here and use it for our crease. And I'm going to bring that right into the crease over here. And just go very light-handed with this, because we don't want the look to be just orange. Because we don't want the orange to power the look. So now I'm going to go into my purple. I'm going to take this shade right here. And you also want to take into account your eye shape. So for me, my eyes are close together, so I really like to apply more of a gradient look to my eyes. So I will always bring the darkest color in the outer corner and smoke it out. Just taking that purple color into a little brush like this. And smoking it out. And bringing it inside. Again, be very light-handed with this color because it is very, very pigmented. What I love about these Makeup Geek eyeshadows is that they're very easy to work with and they blend really well, so you don't have to try really hard. So then I'm going to bring that same purple shade down underneath the eyes, using the same brush, just blending it in. And then here's the most fun part. I love these shimmery shades, so I'm going to dip into this light purple shimmery shade, and I'm just going to use my fingers to pop that right in the middle of the eye. Blending it all over the eye. I really love how that looks. And also use that same shimmery shade underneath the eyes as well. So I'm going to bring a little bit of that under the eyes. And you could do it in the inner corner. That's basically it for your eyeshadows. And then I'm going to go in with an eyeliner. I'm just using this pot. This is their liquid liner from MAC. It's just a black liner. And then I'm just going to put some mascara on. I'm using the one by Benefit today. It's called Bed Gal Bang. I really like this because it has a thin applicator. And there you have it, guys. Here's the final look with the eyes. I really feel like this gives my brown eyes a pop, and the purple shades really bring out the color. I highly recommend this palette if you guys are on the market for some good purples for brown eyes. I believe this is available on Makeup Geek's website. I'll link it below. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm planning on making a second series for another color story, but let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next one.